All right, let's talk about how you can create a clustered bar graph with multiple data points in Excel. So here we just have some random sales data. We have the sales amount for each month for each given particular year. And we want to create a clustered bar graph showing each of these sales amount for that month and particular year. So when creating graphs, especially a clustered bar graph, how you have your data organized is going to make a huge difference. So in this case, what we want to do is create a bar graph for the first quarter of the year. So just January through March. So what we'll do is we'll select our data that we want to be included in our graph. We'll go up to the Insert ribbon. Under Charts, find this little icon for inserting a column or bar chart. Hit that, and then we're just going to want to select this first option, this first clustered column option here. And it'll kind of give us a little preview of what that's going to look like. If we click that chart, we can drag that and resize by clicking these little circles in the corners. And when we have that chart selected, you'll notice that there will be two new ribbons here at the top, the chart design and format. And so you can play around with the design and format and kind of play around with the colors that it's showing. And you can format that differently and play around with that how you'd like. Now if I hit this little plus sign, it's going to bring up the chart elements that I can add or remove. And in this case, we're just going to remove the chart title. And we really don't like that dark green in our graph. So if we select those and go up to Format, Shape Fill, we can change the fill here to a lighter blue, let's say. And then we'll change these orange ones to a blue as well. So we just have blue in our graph here. So you can kind of play around with it like that. If we select the graph and realize, hey, we actually wanted to include April as well, there's two ways we can add April into this graph. When you have it selected, you can either drag this down to include April, and you'll notice that that will appear, or what we can do is go up to Chart Design, select Data, and then we could add an option here that we will name April, and those series values are going to be found here. We'll go ahead and hit OK and OK, and you'll notice that April will get added. Now if we go back to the select data option and realize we can also unselect 2027 to only show these 3 years and exclude 2027 in our data. Now let's say that in our graph here, we actually wanted the month to be displayed here on the horizontal axis, and then we want these columns to actually be the years. So we can select our graph, go up to Chart Design, select Data, and then we need to select our chart data range, which in this case will be the first quarter. We'll leave April out this time. And then we can select Switch Rows and Columns, go ahead and hit OK, and we can notice that now the month is on the horizontal axis and the years are the data points. But that's kind of the basic run through of how you can create a clustered bar graph with multiple data points in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button before you go. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.